Hi to all. Hello, good evening, everybody. Today we have new lock, new tubular lock, and I'm happy. I say why? Because it's new for me, something new. I know this lock opening 90 agree, okay, and this and when you p when you open old modification of this lock, so 45 agree it's blocked, and you need to pick once again, and it's move more 45 agree, and it's open. So it's three uh, time three times block. Need 3 times to pick him for move rotor 180 degree. Okay. Now, like always, was little problem with tensioners, but I found present of my teacher, and it's nice. Yes, but I want we see all process. It's not comfortable to pick like it's now, but we see what I can to do now. First was, second was pick, third nice, and just a moment. No task, and first problematic. I need to move him. Nice. It was not easy because tensioner, and the second, third, fourth. Now it's ask very hard, very strong, and nice. No, nice. We move it. No. Opa. It's okay. It's not first time. So we just a moment. I'm not have place here. No. And now, nice. No. Why you make me problems? And once again. It's not problem, but it's take time. No, no. Yes. Just a moment. No. A little move, not here something. No. And just a moment. Once again, here difficult point. No. Nice. Nice. I think good. No. We see. Yes. After all, I see if it's correct video. Now I can't. Nice asking, and we move it, but it not move. Just a moment. Where is it? Point. Here. Nice. Let's move. So we try to pick it. And open. No. Nice. Nice. And no. Really no. Nice. It's open. I think it's how many times? 7 minutes. Wow. It's big time. Yes. So I have key without just a moment. I want to show because we need to see that it's key without this part. You see, I cut it, and it's for move him not pick back. So it's I need to see if it's work. If you close, it's 180 degree, and you back here, so it's closed. Nice. Thank you for watching. Have a good time, everyone. Good luck. Bye.